Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use subtotal in Excel with filter. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. Normally you use the sum function to get the total of the any column. Okay, so I show you is equal to sum and here you just select the range and bracket close enter. Here you see the total amount is calculated. But in some function, when you filter the data, suppose I filter this data, select the first cell, select the one cell and use the shift control L to apply the filter. After that, I filter some item here. Before that, you see the total amount 82996. And when I filter some item and you can see the total amount is same after the filter. Okay. But in subtotal, the total amount change accordingly filter. So let's see how it's. So I remove the sum function and use the is equal to and just enter the subtotal. In subtotal, here you can see the function list. Here I'm going to sum of this total column. Okay, so I select here the 9 number sum functions. Okay, use the common, select the range of the amount column and bracket closed and enter. That's it. 82,996 is the total amount calculated. Now here I use this filter. So I select the cell, use the shortcut key Shift Control L and select the item. So I filter here some item and here you see the total amount change accordingly filter. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.